guys. So today I'm filming a DIY lock conditioning herbal rinse. Okay, so here is my model, my girlfriend. We're gonna be using her hair. So I just wanted to show you guys on camera how it looks. Can you stand up? Before, if you want to turn around. There we go. There we go. And then the herbs that I'm using on the rinse are gonna be, the first herb I use is peppermint, which increases circulation and improves hair growth and prevents hair loss. Lavender is the next herb that I used, which is good for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, but it can also help treat hair loss and is an effective remedy for many scalp conditions. Next is rosemary, which stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth, and is also a cleanser due to its antibacterial properties, and it helps with scalp issues like irritated, dry, flaky, or dandruff-ridden scalps. And last but not least, I used rosebuds, which are a good conditioner for the hair and will give it a healthy shine. So while the rinse is boiling and cooling down, I will prepare my materials, which are listed here on the screen, and make sure that I have everything ready to use the rinse. You will also need a strainer to strain the herbs and collect the rinse. And once the rinse has cooled down, you will transfer the rinse using the strainer into one of your bowls in the sink. Remember to continue to let the rinse cool down so that it's not too hot when you pour it on your model or your own hair. Once you have strained the herbs and collected the rinse and given it time to cool down, you may begin pouring it on your hair. Use the bowl in the sink to catch the rinse, and this is the bowl you will use to pour your rinse next time as you continue to interchange until you are finished rinsing your hair. There are many different ways you can get the rinse onto your hair. You can also use a bottle that will be used to transfer the rinse to your hair. But that is all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and can use it. Let me know how you like it once you have used it in your hair. Thank you again for tuning into this tutorial, and I will see you next time, Divine Tribe. Peace out.